Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain European Flying Squid in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, to obtain this squid, you need to go to the fishing village, and let me show you my fish observation. This is how the European flying squid looks like. And as you can see here, this source is from the sea fishing event. So you need to participate in the sea fishing event by Bill. Go to fishing village and talk to Bill, and you can start the sea fishing event, or you can join the event hosted by your friends or the other players. And after that, you just need to do fishing during the fishing event, and if you're lucky, you will catch this European flying squid, this one. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch European flying squid in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.